To transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account is actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to the PayPal login page and you want to log into your account. In this case, I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with the link in the description. So once you are signed in, you'll be taken to your PayPal dashboard, which will look something like this. So to transfer our funds from our PayPal account to our bank account, we need to actually link our bank account to our PayPal. So to do this, you want to click on the Pay and Get Paid tab at the very top, and then you want to click on the Money link underneath the Wallet menu. From here, it's going to give you an overview of how much you got in your PayPal account, along with your connected currencies. So to connect our bank account, we just want to scroll down and you want to click on Link a New Bank Account. From here, you just need to choose whether it's a business or personal bank account, and you just need to enter in some more bank details below. Once you've done this, you want to click on Agree and Link. PayPal will then make 2 small deposits into your bank account that's less than £1 or $1, and it will need to retrieve one of them as a withdrawal. This is so it can successfully confirm your bank account and link it with your PayPal. So once your bank account has successfully been linked, if you go back to the Money page on PayPal and scroll down to where it says Banks, it will give you a list of all of the banks that you've connected to your PayPal account. So to transfer money out of our PayPal account to our bank, you just want to scroll back up to where it says the Transfer Money button and click on that. And here you'll be taken to the transfer page. So at the very top, you just want to choose how much you want to transfer out to your account. In this case, I'm going to select $99 United States dollars. You can then choose whether to transfer in minutes, which is no fee, or transfer it within 1 to 3 days, and again, fees may apply. You'll also need to confirm that the bank account is correct. Just underneath that, it's going to give you an overview of the withdrawal amount and how much the fee will cost, along with PayPal's exchange rate if you are converting between currencies first. So once you're ready with how much you will receive, you want to click on Transfer Now, and the funds will be successfully transferred from your PayPal account to your bank account. And that is how you transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.